Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house or the brand of Jacomo. Brand of Jacomo is very dear to me. I love what they do. They don't put that many fragrances out. They are a designer designer fragrance house from in New York, United States. But I think their perfume based companies in Paris, and also they don't have that many perfumes in their lineup, probably about 5 or 6 for the ladies, 5 or 6 for men, and they've been around since 1970s, so you can tell how very little they put out for, in terms of perfumes, in terms of fragrances. And that's why every time they put something out, I have to go and check them out, because they're usually on the artistic side of fragrances and perfumes. So when I saw this beauty for a very good price, under £25, in United Kingdom you can purchase this under £25 for 100 ml de Perfume, and this one is called Jacomo Le Parfum. This one is aimed or marketed for ladies, but you know me, I don't care about these things. Smell, perfumes, fragrances don't have gender, they don't have sex. If you like a smell, you wear it. If you don't like a smell, you don't wear it. As simple as that. Just because these companies put out gender out, it doesn't mean anything. Up to 1920s, perfumes were perfume for everybody. That didn't make any difference who bought it or who wore it. But after 1920s, French companies started to divide and say, okay, this is for men and this is for women, because they wanted to sell more, because they wanted to market it and get more market share. And today we are accustomed, or we are conditioned to think that perfumes and fragrances have gender, which is not true whatsoever. Anyway, apart from that, let's go. So before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you motivate me, you give me the reason to carry on. Your support, your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So very nice box, white and gold trimming. Attention to detail is very good. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So as you can tell, very nice box. For the money, is very good. So Jacomo de Perfume, and this is Le Parfum. It came out in 2014, if I'm not mistaken. And look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. Wow, what a color, beauty. Look at this. It's a golden or ambery color, and it says Le Parfum Jacomo. A very heavy bottle. The cap is plastic, but the atomizer is very modern. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Doesn't put that much juice out, but it does the job perfectly. Okay, here we go. First sniff, first impression for Jacomo Le Parfum de Perfume. Here we go. Sweet, fruity, fresh. Yes. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness. Secondly is the fruitiness, and it's got a big citrus in here. Massive citrus, so I can smell something like a bergamot, something like lemon, something like orange. Ooh, I smell orange blossom, I smell gardenia, I smell jasmine. It's very dominant by white florals. Very pretty. So Even though I said earlier that perfumes don't have sex, which is true, but this is it leans very, very feminine. So um, it could be unisex if you like this kind of fragrance. It doesn't mean anything, but it leans towards femininity. I have to mention these things because somebody will say, somebody will ask. If you care about these things, yes, this is very, very feminine. Very pretty. So the florals are huge, the citrus is huge, there's a peachy element to it. Peach is a little bit of apple I can smell. And I can smell sweetness, which is probably come from vanilla, and it underlines everything. The sweetness here right now for the first sniff, first impression, is about 7 or 7.5. 10 being the sweetest. This is around 7 to 7.5, so it's quite sweet. Quite musky in the base as well, so musky, fruity, floral, citrusy, very fresh. In the same time, I won't say fresh. Fresh is a semi-fresh, but it is quite fresh. It gives it some freshness to it. Okay. I can smell something like rose in here as well. So it is quite rosy, but the rose is not the biggest player. The biggest player are the white florals, but rose is there as well. I detect something powdery in here. It might be a violet, or it might be a lily of the valley, something like that, giving it a little bit of powderiness. But overall, what a smell, what a beauty. Yes, 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 highly, highly recommend it. I loving it. Especially if you're a lady, you will love this because under £25, and it doesn't smell 25. It smells much more expensive. It smells very French classical smell to it. So it's very because you know the French, what they do best is fruity floral fragrances, and this is in that genre, is fruity floral fragrances. They also do citruses quite well. The first country that does citrus very well is Italy. After Italy is France. So they do citrus quite well as well. So this is very dominant by citrus in the beginning. As I said, it's quite orangey, it's quite lemony, it's quite bergamonty. And then after that it's the florals, and the florals is white florals dominant. Jasmine, lily of the valley, and also gardenia probably. But I can smell something rosy as well, and in the base most likely we have a vanilla, which giving it that sweetness, plus some muskiness, some woodiness in here. I can smell something like a cedar, so it is giving it that backbone of woodiness, but it's very subtle, and it's just basically a support role, gives everything support to lift everything up. But overall, fantastic smell. I loving it. It's very feminine, it's very ladylike. It's quite on the mature, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. But if you like this kind of fragrances, then it doesn't mean anything. But to me, it is a little bit on the mature side because it's quite on the sophisticated and the complex side. It's not a simple fragrance, and that giving it a few dimension, and because of that, a young nose might not appreciate it. And also because of the domination of the floral in here, you might give it a little bit of classical feel to it as well. But what a smell! It's beautiful, very feminine, very ladylike, very pretty, very classy. It's one of those fragrances that you can utilize it going out for a special occasion, for evening and things like this. But because of the freshness of it, you can use it casually as well during the day, work and things like that, no problem. But it is a little bit on the dressier side of things, so it is good for going out, for special occasion, for evening, for formal occasions. I give it for now 2 thumbs up. Yes, 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 I'm loving it, even though I'm a man, but the smell is a smell, and I'm loving the smell. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Okay guys, so that was first impression. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that. But for now, yes, 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 I highly, highly recommend it. if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons, comment, subscribe, and hit the like button and things like this. This way, you encourage me, help me to motivate me to carry on and make videos like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfumes. I have 17 of them, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the links in the description as well. They are super artistic, very unique, super long lasting, amazing value for money. But as I said, you need to live in United Kingdom. The lucky people who live in United Kingdom, they can purchase them and enjoy them. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.